A'ja Wilson may still be finding her rhythm on the court, but her Nike-owned sneaker is hitting its stride. Over the past 2 months, the model has dropped in several colorways, mainly in adult sizes, though select styles have also been made just for young athletes. The latest Big Kids edition features a striking black, Volt Glow, Hyper Pink palette. Dick's Sporting Goods lists the pair as either unapologetic or her time to shine, suggesting a bold narrative behind the design. Metallic dark pink branding lands on the profiles, tongue, and heel, while custom emblems decorate the underside of the tongue. A mostly black sole sets the stage for the electric tones up top to truly pop. Official photos of the vibrant kids sneaker have been released, with a launch expected via Nike.com and select retailers on Tuesday, July 1st, for $95. This drop continues Wilson's growing impact in basketball footwear.